My friends and future millionaires, today I am buying $100 worth of Solana. Let's dive right into this video and let me share with you why I'm doing this. But first, smash up the like button, click that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell because every single day we bring you a brand new video at 7:30 Eastern Standard Time. But please understand, I'm not a financial advisor, just a YouTuber, just another guy, just like each and every one of you out there. And I'm just creating this content because this is what I'm doing with my own money and I wanted to share it. Also, please understand that you need to only risk what you can afford to lose in cryptocurrency. And full disclosure, I do hold the coins that I'm talking about in the video. So let's get into it. Let's, add the transaction. So we bought approximately 5.9 Solana tokens. And I want to go through our portfolio since we started this portfolio literally a couple days ago. Should I say a couple of weeks? Pepe. Up 26% now. We're up $26 on our $100 investment. PulseX is our worst investment right now. Overall, our portfolio is still down approximately 3%, which is really not a lot, to be completely honest. And in the last 24 hours, we are up 17%. So a lot of volatility in our portfolio, but here are our big winners. Pepe, Shiba Inu are up, so we are in some very nice profits. 26% on Pepe, 8% on Shiba. XRP up in the green as well. And now Solana is one we just bought here at $16.92. So here you go. We got 5.9 Solana. And the rest of the cryptocurrencies that we've bought, which aren't very many, are in the red a little bit as well. But I still have a lot of faith in this ecosystem. It's brand new. And we'll get into why I bought Solana. But before, I have to share with you what's going on with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin broke out of this bull flag, and it's all the way back up to the top of the flag. So what's going to happen next for Bitcoin? Here's my prediction right now. Look, the truth is anything can happen. However, I think one of the best ways to absolutely wreck the bears and do something completely out of line would be continue higher. See, most people right now, they're thinking, oh, well, I should just take profits. It's going to come back down to 26,000. It's going to come back down. Maybe it's going to roll back over. That's most of the sentiment right now. And the reason why I think that this actually we break through here is because the volume is real. The narrative with the BlackRock ETF is real. And this is just technically something that we've been seeing here. And I wanted to share from my VIP member of my online class. He said, in response to earlier messages, I am certainly glad that I moved the ICP that I bought into Bitcoin temporarily. So this is very important. This was time sensitive because in my online class, I shared that Bitcoin was about to explode. And this was literally a couple days ago. The TA did show that Bitcoin is going to make a move, and it did. Exactly. So look, it obviously feels good when you time it correctly. However, I studied these markets. I've been in these markets for 6 years. So I have a pretty decent pulse. I'm here every single day with you, and I'm in my VIP class teaching people, and they get access to even more exclusive videos. Now, he said, I hope everyone is doing well with their investments too. Joe Parys, thanks for the video a few days ago. It helped me make some profits. So again, I'm not responsible for whether you make decisions or not or whatever it is. I'm just here communicating and educating. And with that education, it's up to you. But people in my VIP class are winning. Go to my website, joeparys.com, enroll today, educate yourself more. This price will be increasing. When the bull market kicks back off in the new year, this price will be increasing. You can save $1,500 today. And again, I have more coins that I've been absolutely buying and selling. And in the class, I made different portfolios. My HODL portfolio that I made in the class is now up approximately $5,000. It was a $10,000 portfolio. That one's up. Our best performer was Bitcoin. We're up 54% all-time, $5,000 on that portfolio. And our 50-25-25 portfolio is also up over $5,000 since the beginning of the year. So not only am I talking the talk, we are walking the walk. We are making real money here in crypto. And if you like money and you like crypto, you know where to join here on the channel. Subscribe every single day for free content. And if you want even more, the good stuff, the VIP stuff, click the links, join us in VIP. But let's talk about now one last little thing. I have two new YouTube channels. If you didn't know this, I'm going to be creating more online classes, more content. The travel one is especially fun because it's basically just me sharing all my different travels and foods and what I've been able to do as a cryptocurrency millionaire. And the videos have done really, really well. So I went to Atlantis earlier this year. I went to Brickell. I go to Miami. I live in Puerto Rico, so you can see Old San Juan and some of the things that I do in Puerto Rico. So it's really cool to see that. And also, I share with you how I went from $0 to $2 million on my finance channel and with online classes. I went to school for education. The reason why I did this is because I am a huge believer in helping each and every one of you, and education is the key. So I teach you exactly how I did this. I'm building an online class teaching you exactly how I've done it from people asking me how to do this. So more announcements on that. Click those links and we'll get started now with Solana. Why did I buy Solana? Sorry for those announcements, but they're important. The reason why I bought Solana is because there's a lot actually happening behind the scenes here. And this is still a massive cryptocurrency with a massive community. 2.2 million followers over on Twitter. And if you look at their website, they have something called Breakpoint 2023, which is coming to Amsterdam in October. Now, typically around conferences and events, there's a move up and then there's a buy the rumor, sell the news. So this is a date that I would definitely highlight and a little bit of alpha for you. And who knows what's going to happen at this conference. But tickets are available. And I have no affiliation with this conference, to be completely transparent. I'm just sharing this because I do see something in the future. And the last Solana conference that they had was really, really well done. And it was a conference that really rallied a lot of people. Now, the reason why the price of Solana today is down as much as it is, if we go to CoinMarketCap, this is to me where opportunity is in crypto. And this is why we've started doing this portfolio now. Because I've recognized after 6 years of doing crypto, the time to buy is when no one else is buying. The charts are down really low, and this is the accumulation phase of the lifetime, what you're looking for, in my opinion. I think you still have a long time, though, potentially months, to accumulate. So there's no excuse to go, okay, well, I didn't hear about this video and all this. I think this was your bottom at like $8, which was crazy. This could continue, could go lower in the short term. I don't care about that. I'm playing this in this portfolio for another year, 2 years, and then we'll make adjustments. But if you got it in at $16 like I did today, and it goes all the way back to its all-time high, that's literally more than 10 times on your money in an asset that I believe is undervalued right now for what it does. So what does Solana do, and why do I believe it's actually undervalued? Well, it's very powerful and very fast for everyone, and also the fees are like next to nothing. So one of the things that I think is going to help future blockchains is the usability, as well as people being able to transact and do the things that they want to do cheaply. This is exactly what Solana went after. And the reason why I think Solana went absolutely crazy is because of Alameda and because of the FTX thing. And now with that, pulling away, they really have to kind of rebuild. And I do think that there's opportunity in that though as well. So I'm not going to sit here and sugarcoat this and say that this is an all-in altcoin where, oh my God, it's going to go back to all-time high and beyond. It's going to become the next Ethereum. But what if it did? Right? The thing you got to ask yourself is, well, what if it does what Ethereum did? So if you look at Ethereum in its second cycle, because Solana will be in its second cycle approximately here. So ETH, you click ETH, you come here, you look at the chart, and you look at what Ethereum did. It went all the way from approximately $200 to $300, and then it went all the way as high as $1,100 in its next cycle. So could something like that be on the table for Solana? So if you look back at the chart of Solana, this is why I believe you could turn $100 into $5,000, maybe even $10,000 with this coin. See, it started all the way back in 2020. So here you are, your first cycle, you went all the way to $200, you've come back down. Could you do exactly what Ethereum did? And I believe why not? I think that it could if they gain adoption. And if you were to look back here, what happened is even after Ethereum went to its new all-time highs of $1,300, it went all the way back down to crazy lows of like $80 here. This is $100. This is like $86 back in December. This is why I believe the bottom is in. It's been in. And if it's not in, a lot of these altcoins are bottoming and it's very soon. So to me, this has the recipe to do what an Ethereum did. And from an investment standpoint, I think if you're just along for the ride and you're in, you have to be in. This is where I think Solana and its community could thrive in the next bull market. But it may take time. This isn't going to be a quick trade where you go to the moon and you go crazy numbers. I think it's going to take time for this. But the fact that it's really, really fast, 4,000 transactions per second is crazy. It is decentralized, it's energy efficient, and it is scalable, shows me that there's at least a foundation here with this cryptocurrency project that I think is going to prove to be good in the long run. They also have a lot of other altcoins like Star Atlas, Aurora, all these other coins that I've talked about on the channel in the bull market that went absolutely crazy that I think could be even higher speculative risk, but also could go absolutely parabolic if Solana ends up making it. And let's say Solana has a narrative in the future where everyone jumps back into Solana. That could happen. No one knows for sure. But if it does happen, we're already in and we're there. Okay. So the strategy that we're doing is we're risking a very little amount to still make a lot of money. And while this could go to zero and no one knows what happens in the future, the fact that Solana right now, even in the last couple of months, has been trending up in volume. You can see here a number of active users. This is what you want to see. So the number of unique addresses May 1st stood at 3.6 million, which is up literally 146% increase from April 1st. Now, since then, it has come back down according to Dune Analytics, but the truth is like nothing just goes up forever. So what it's showing me, though, is that it's not dead and gone yet. And I think that if we start seeing more user adoption, more people onboarding, I do think that Solana is going to take that next step in its second round. Now, another reason why I think Solana is going to make it in the long run is because of all the NFTs at scale. Now, I know that they did lose some bigger projects, and I know that not everyone's building NFT projects over on Solana, that Solana NFTs are kind of down right now. But that's when the opportunity is for a lot of this stuff, as crazy as it seems. But Solana's high throughput and low fees make it a perfect fit for NFTs of all shapes and sizes. So I know this because I was playing around with my VIP class and group with Solana NFTs. I actually recorded me buying Solana NFTs. Some of those did 10x's literally at mint. So I'm not just saying this to say it. It's recorded. It's right there in front of our eyes. And the fact that Solana NFTs basically have a zero cost and they're very fast and easy to mint and they're very easy to scalable, that to me is everything. Now, if you don't know how Solana works, Solana NFT works, all those other things, you need a Phantom wallet. That's going to be the best wallet for you. So if you click right here, Phantom is going to be your best wallet. You click there, you then can buy, sell, and trade a bunch of these different NFT projects. Now, again, I'm not telling you to do any of that. I'm just saying it's an opportunity and it's something there for you. And the truth is when all this is going crazy, it's right now when it's not going crazy, that's where all the money is made in this game. I know it's hard. But the truth is, and I keep pounding the table on this because it's the truth. Right now, the numbers on social media are down. Right now, the numbers of online sales are down. It doesn't matter to me. I'm here every day because consistency and being here when no one else is, that's what's going to make us the money in the future. So the truth of the matter is Solana Art still has over 200,000 followers over on Twitter. And their engagement here for some of these is still doing quite well overall. So while it is down, I don't think it is out. And I think, to me, Solana for $100 to have in our portfolio is definitely worth the risk versus reward. So if you want to learn even more with me, again, VIP class right here. I have so much in this class, it's absurd. Last year, I turned $10,000 into $250,000, and today I'm a cryptocurrency millionaire because of the decisions I made in the last bull market. And the reason why I know that this all works is because of the proof of my students. They have done it as well. And I have all of the formulas and everything here right for you. I teach you how to not get scammed, how to be aware of scammers. There's a lot of imposters and a lot of nonsense out there. Also, we have a millionaires club and group chat so that you can join and become a future cryptocurrency millionaire. I have this for you. It's not for me. It's for you. I add to this every single month. We have a monthly call as well. And I have all these videos, how to get free cryptocurrency. Last year, in the last bull market, $7,000 in free crypto airdrops. If you have no money, you have nothing to learn and to do. In airdrops, there is so much good content here. It's absolutely insane. That's why I don't feel like I'm selling it to you, because I know how good this is. And right now, I believe is your opportunity to make it in crypto. And I don't think this market is going anywhere. I think this is the opportunity of a lifetime. And I think anyone else is telling you elsewise is just flat out, they don't see the vision and they're not seeing the right things. So if you're interested, click the links down below, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see each and every one of you back here in our next video tomorrow. Stay tuned.